Exercise 1. Karan gave good advice to his friend. So, in this sentence, we have to find out which word or which person is doing action. That is Karan. We have to remember, and as we had discussed in part 1, that we can pick out subject by asking what or who. So, who gave good advice to his friend? Answer is Karan. Do not speak ill of everyone. This kind of sentence is imperative sentence. And imperative sentences you cannot ask by what or who. So in these sentences, subject will always be you. So you do not speak ill of everyone. After a few days came the letter. So what came after a few days? Answer is the letter. We have to remember that subject can come anywhere in the sentence. It's not necessary that it will come in the beginning. Has he gone on a camping trip? It's a question, and we have to find out who was working in the sentence. It was he. So he has gone on a camping trip. I want to remind you that these kind of sentences can be converted into simple statements also. Like if the question form comes, you can simply convert into a simple statement like he has gone on a camping trip. So after converting the sentence into simple statement, you can easily ask who has gone on a camping trip. So answer will be he. Next, against the wall stood a long ladder. So we can pick by asking what stood against the wall. Answer will be a long ladder stood against the wall. The clown made everyone laugh. So who made everyone laugh? Is Gagan the captain of the team? It's again a question form. So answer is Gagan because who is the captain of the team? Again, if you find any difficulty in picking out subject in interrogative forms, convert the statement into simple statement like Gagan is the captain of the team. So answer will be who is the captain of the team? A baker makes bread and cakes. So who makes breads and cake? A baker. Remember, baker is a subject, but a will also be added with this because a is a determiner. So we cannot remove any kind of determiner, articles or phrases or any kind which is telling the quality of the subject, we cannot remove those subjects. How beautiful the scene is. In the same way, the scene is doing the action. We are talking about scene, but the will also be added with the subject. So, the scene is very beautiful. The scene is doing action in the sentence. The people are getting off the train. So, who are getting off the train? The people. The is article which will be added with the subject. Next, the sleeping beauty slept for 100 years. Who slept for 100 years? So answer is the sleeping beauty slept for 100 years. Always put what or who before the verb. So we have to remember this that what and who can be put before the subject. So we can remember that what or who can be put before the verb. At the corner of the room sat the princess. Who sat at the corner of the princess? Here comes the bus. What comes here? The teacher taught us very well. Who taught us very well? A pair of shoes is missing from my room. So, what is missing from my room? Again, I have put what or who before the verb. The kite is flying high in the sky. What is flying high in the sky? Thank him for everything. Now, in this sentence, him is not the subject because him is not doing any action. So, we have to first of all identify which kind of sentence is this, and this kind of sentence which contains order, request, or advice is called imperative sentence. And in these sentences, as we had discussed, the subject will always be you. So you thank him for everything. An empty vessel make much noise. What makes much noise? Make is a verb and I have put what or who before it. So answer will be an empty vessel. The horse galloped fast towards the river. Who galloped fast towards the river? Galloped is a verb. Put what or who before the verb and answer will come. Fun Time is a children's magazine. So what is a children's magazine? It's Fun Time. Next exercise. Into the street the piper stepped. In this exercise, the piper is doing action and therefore it will be subject. Again you can check who stepped into the street. Rohit and Abhijit are best friends. So who are best friends? Rohit and Abhijit. The tired farmer sat by the fireside. Who sat by the fireside? The children enjoyed their picnic. Who enjoyed their picnic? The policeman stood in the middle of the road. Who stood in the middle of the road? You can see that before verbs I have asked what or whom. So in all the sentences you have to put what or whom before the verb. Ritika danced beautifully in the concert. Who danced beautifully? Ritika danced. So danced is a verb and before danced I have asked what or whom. The lion pounced upon the stag. Who pounced upon the stag? The lion. We love our country more than our lives. Who love our country more than our lives? Weather is calm today. What is calm today? Weather is calm today. A pair of shoes is missing from my room. What is missing from my room? The answer is a pair of shoes. Next is my parents gave me beautiful gift. Who gave me beautiful gift? The huge waves were seen in the ocean. What were seen in the ocean? Huge is a adjective which is modifying waves and the is a determiner, so it will all be added with the subject. All the children were happy. Who were happy? So you can see that subject can consist of one word also and it can consist 3 to 4 words also. So it can be any long. Good boys never tell lies. Who never tell lies? Those people are brothers and sisters. Who are brothers and sisters? Our class consists of 30 students. So what consists of 30 students? Here are is a possessive adjective. So R will be added with the subject. The beautiful white horse galloped fast. Now, who galloped fast? Horse is doing action in the sentence. White is adjective. Beautiful is adjective. And the is a determiner. So, all the 4 words will consist subject. So, all these 4 words will be included in the subject. How beautiful the frock is. We can convert it into a simple statement also. The frock is very beautiful. So the answer will come that what is very beautiful. So whenever there is any doubt, we can convert these kind of sentences into simple statements. These are called exclamatory sentences. So then your subject will come out that what is very beautiful. Most part of Africa are covered with jungle. What is covered with jungle? So before verb I have asked what is covered with jungle. Most parts of Africa are covered with jungle. I am very anxious to know about my result. It's obvious in the sentence that I is doing an action, and in other way you can also ask that who is very anxious to know my result. So in both the ways the answer is coming I. So here I am ending subject predicate part 2. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you hit the bell icon, you will get the latest updates. You can also email us at ajivas.englishcoaching@gmail.com. So keep watching and stay tuned. Thank you.